Namaskar. Welcome to your channel, Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. In this class, as you can see, I am on my head in SIRSASANA. So I am going to take tutorial on headstand, SIRSASAN. If you are ready to do this, grab your mat and let's start with some shoulder drills to prepare ourselves for headstand or Sirsasana. Let's begin. So friends, before we start with Sirsasana or headstand, I would like to tell you the limitations and the benefits of this asana. Limitations are, first is those who have high blood pressure will not do this asana. Second, those who have heart problem or cardiac problem, they will not perform this asana. Third, those who are ladies who are in menses or periods, or those ladies who are pregnant, they will not do the asana. Now the benefits of this asana is, first is it improves your eyesight. Second, it helps you to grow your hairs. Third, it improves the blood circulation towards your head region. So I hope you will enjoy this asana with me. So let's grab our mat and let's start with the first exercise is, let's go for a forearm plank. So we go down on our forearms, check your shoulder and your elbows should be always perpendicular to the floor. We extend our arms, we stretch our legs one by one back. And this is what we gonna hold for 1 minute. We try to protract our shoulders and we engage our core. We do not lift our tailbone, we do not arch our back. So make sure we maintain this for 1 minute. Those who are beginners may rest their knees initially and breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, feel your shoulders. 6, 7, feel your core. 8, 9 and 10. Relax, rest in child's pose. Relax your arms. You can interlock your fingers. Raise your arms up and you can shake your hands sideways. Relax, you nod your head, relax your arms. Then we move to the second exercise is, we move in a dolphin push up. It's like we move in a downward facing. We try to touch our chin or nose to our hands. How do we do that? We come on our forearms again, interlock your fingers, tuck your toes. We lift our tailbone up. So we lift our tailbone up again. We maintain our shoulders above, our elbows above our shoulders, and then we move our hips up and exhale. We move our chin to the floor or towards our palms. Inhale, we interlock our fingers just to have a good grip to our arms. Exhale down. 3. Inhale, you feel your shoulder blades, feel your arms. So strengthening your hands before we move to headstand or Sirsasana. 5, exhale down. 6, inhale up. Exhale down. 7, inhale. Try it out, you will feel your shoulders will start burning. 8, inhale. Exhale. 9, 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more breath. Inhale up and exhale down. Relax. You'll have a very good stretch or burning sensation in both the arms. You can hug your arms or you can stretch your both the hands sideways. Relax. Your both the hands. You can shake your arms, shake your wrists. Okay, now we move to the third exercise is palm to forearm. So we shift from forearms to palm, palms to forearm. So how we do that? Come on your palms, tuck your toes and we lift our knees from the ground. So you come in Dandasana or plank. From here, go down to the forearms. Again, shift up on your palms. Keep doing this for more 10 times,
4, inhale, exhale, keep breathing, 5, inhale, exhale, push yourself, 6, inhale, exhale, 7, inhale, exhale, keep doing, 8, inhale, exhale, do not give up, 9, inhale, exhale, and one more, inhale and exhale, lift yourself, we will drop our knees, push our hips back and let go. Relax your shoulders, rest your neck, relax. So dear friends, I would like you to do these 3 exercises regularly. You will actually notice your shoulders are in burning sensation. You will feel your arms are vibrating. If you're doing it for the first time, definitely you will feel that weak. Your arms are a little weak. But a week after week practice, you will see your arms are getting more stronger. The vibrations will start lessening. You will feel more strong arms to hold your body weight, because headstand needs to be the entire weight is on your arms. So we are working on the shoulder, we are working on the hands and also the core. So when you do planks, it also engages your core, so it works on the core development. So practice this. Once you are done with a few weeks of practice, maybe I can tell you, do it for 3 to 4 weeks and then walk to the wall. What we need to do is you use the mat, place it vertically closer to the wall and turn your body to the wall. I'll be showing you with wall, without wall also. Those who have attained this or accomplished first level, then how to go without the wall support. We move on our forearms, interlock your fingers. We bring a good grip to our hands. Your crown, this area should be touching to the floor, not your forehead, not your back of your head. And you're holding your back of your head with your palm fingers, interlocking your fingers like this. Okay, and then we check our elbows are not shifting out from the alignment. Your elbows are always lying underneath your shoulders. This is the alignment of your arms. We place our crown on the floor. We hold our back of our head. We lift our knees from the ground. And we make like a mountain shape first. Then walk closer until you don't feel your thighs touching to the stomach. You're not leaning your spine back. You're not straining your neck. You're holding your head nicely. And once you find yourself comfortable, lift one knee like this. Folding your knee, other knee fold. And then you can place your feet on the wall. We engage our core, our pelvis, and we try pushing our knees up to the ceiling. Your shoulders areas are relaxed, so we create the space so that our neck is not injured. And then when you are flexible, few weeks later, you can straighten one knee, another knee, and placing your heels to the wall. So here your entire attention is on your arms, bearing weight. Also your core, which is engaged. So you're not completely dropping your weight on the neck, or you're not collapsing your shoulders. So we hold it well. And then few weeks later, you can remove one leg, then try it with the other leg also. So when you release one leg, then just try juggling your like forward, backward. You can just tap and just come back, tap and then come back. Do this for few weeks. Once you gain that confidence, then you bring your feet together, squeezing your hips, holding your core and your shoulders,
having a good strength after doing all that drills exercise every day, you gain a lot of shoulder strength. So this is the final position. While coming down, it's always, you need to be careful. Fold your knees one by one, and then you have to bring your legs same way. Touch your toes and then the other leg. So you just don't drop your knees. You relax in child's pose immediately. Do not lift your head because all the blood rushing towards the neck and the head area. So your blood needs to cool down. Your breath needs to cool down. Also, you can nod your head, shoulders, you can stretch. You can move your arms up and you can move your shoulders. So you can release the tension from the shoulders. And stay here for like as much you want. If your body is still, like if you still see the blood flowing towards your head and if you need some more relaxation, you can stay here. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes you can spend here. The moment you find I am feeling better and my neck, the tension is released from my neck, you can move your head up and slowly come back to the center. So friends, it is very important that you do this under the guidance, and if you understood my video, it's important to use a wall, or if you have someone around you, you can take their support. So before you step into the wall, don't forget to do some warm-up exercise for the shoulders and for the core. If your shoulders are cold, then you may not understand how to hold the body. So first warm up and then move to the wall. Once these are done, when you are ready to challenge yourself, then you move away from the wall, imagining that yes, I have a wall behind my body to support. So keep that in back of your mind. The fear which is there deep inside, you need to release it out. Maybe I have seen many of them having fear of falling, fear of having injury. So those fears, you need to first figure out how and when did you happen, when that fear came and how the fear came up. Is it because of the fall when you were a child, or because of some incident happened or some accident you met with? So you need to release those emotions, you need to release the fear from your mind before you start the practice. If you still have fear, then take your time and then move to the headstand or sirsasan. Now I will be showing you how you can do without wall, and then we will release the tension by practicing matsyasana. That's inversion. Whenever you do inversion practice like sirsasan, sarvangasana, halasana, you always choose a counter posture, that is matsyasana. So without the wall, same practice, we interlock our fingers, we always check the shoulder and elbows are in line. It's like you're forming a V shape of your arm, not too spreading out. We place our crown on the floor. We walk, 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 and folding your knees and the other knees, and just slowly, step by step, you have to move. And then moving your knees on top. So the moment you push your knees up, automatically your core gets engaged and your pelvis are engaged and your arms will start bearing weight. You'll also understand your body. So always listen to the body, that yes, from where, and always feel the stretch. This is like king of asana. If you practice headstand, you will not have any kind of pain or any kind of problem in your life, because it improves your nervous system, endocrine system, the glands. So it stimulates your glands. You can also feel your thyroid gland, you can feel your excretory system. So all the systems, glands are being activated when you do this asana. So it has immense benefit if you do it right. Just make sure you don't have any neck or back pain or any kind of spondylitis or a heart injury or surgery. You need to keep a check on that before you start with the asana, and then fold your knee while you want to come back. So people do stay here for 5. So depends. If you want to challenge yourself, you can start with 30 seconds to 5 minutes and then cool down. As I said, cooling down is very important after the asana. Once you cool down, you can move to the supine position. Just take a laying down position for matsyasana. Placing your both the palms underneath your hips, both the feet together. It's very important to release the tension from the neck. So we move in this, we arch our back and turn our neck. We rest our crown on the floor. Stay for a few breaths. 1, feet together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We rest our head, we relax, release your palms from your hips, and you can hug yourself. And then turn on one side, come back slowly. If you still find there is pain in your neck joint, you can give a little retraction to the neck. You can move your neck in a circle, one circle each side, to ensure that there is no pain in your neck joint and muscles are relaxed. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial of Sirsasana headstand, and let me know in the comment section, did you practice and is it helpful for your yoga practice? Namaste, stay blessed.